Thank you.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Fuge. Today we're in Hungary and we're going to do appies with Chappie by the lake. Lake Balaton edition. Lake Balaton is a beautiful lake, 2 hours outside of Budapest, the capital. We're going to have a little snack there, so that it'll be appies with Chappie by the lake with special guest star Fuge, who's substituting in for Mookie. Don't worry, Mookie will be back next week. So basically we're just going to head to the lake, have a beer, and get some Langoš. Now, Langoš is, depending who you talk to, either the official or unofficial dish of Hungary, and Hungary's most famous and beloved street food. It's basically just fried bread, and it comes traditionally with garlic, butter, and sour cream. But nowadays, they're putting everything but the kitchen sink on top of it. We'll probably just try a plain one, won't we, Fuge? Anyways, check it out. We're heading over to Lake Balaton. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Fuge. Make sure you hit that notification bell. What's that, Fuge? Fuge says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.